celebrity yawa, he be yawa big time. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. Charlie, I can't your screen top again. This be celebrity yawa. If you not subscribe to the YouTube channel, Charlie, do one first. Do one right now. Do one right now, go do one. Yeah, go subscribe, go. Charlie, this be something where you come the what? The street top. Anytime I go to say street be mentor I don't say it be social media because it be there where the what? The celebrities, you know, them day. The other way you can be say one celebrity be then the bell Stonebwoy. I don't say who no. On boy young put two in na. He dey give us his songs about his songs and things where he dey do. Right now you can't wanna notice say you can't talk say I have not endorsed the legalization for any Okada business. Stonebwoy where you can't talk that thing. We see him say he dey motor top where they talk say Charlie if traffic they jump then things are you go fit tap motor top where you go reach the place you go reach. More go spy the video.
Yo, sometimes you need to join the Okada, Charlie. Yo, what's up? Too much traffic, my guy. Okada is good for the people. Simon boy. Yes. Vodafone concerts. Quickly, no time. I had to join the Okada because too much traffic. Running out. Impromptu show. Gotta do this. It's never people, man. Okada movement.
You see what Stonebwoy talk for the video talk? Well, Ghanaian people too, and a man can't talk say, Charlie, this guy, so he be one of the what? One of the key thing where he did NDC the manifesto inside, where they can say, they come, this one, they come power. No go make Okada business, no. They go make them illegal, like legal, sorry. They go make them legal for what? Ghana here. So Ghanaian people that man can't talk where say, then this boy go take block money from the NDC people where they do this thing or something. We didn't know where we say, Charlie, these people, then they make the politicians, they use them, then things, we didn't know where Stonebwoy come. You can't wait to say, you can't realize say, something they go on for social media, say, he did motor top, and he said the video, they cry, it be 3 years ago, motor cry, it be 3 years ago. 3 years ago, crime video where he take, where he can post up them things. Now, 3 years video, where Charlie, the way they look now, where they look, 3 years video, Charlie, and your hair no them things, can you say, and your hair no them things, your face them things, you know? Nah, they say they agree, say, if you what? If be 3 years ago video where you use Stonebwoy, you post. If it's something where you can play plus the mama then something, Stonebwoy, it not be easy. Well, like we not say we catch out the intention, where you can post for Twitter. Me, I can't read what you read for Twitter. See that thing. I can't read what you post for Twitter. You come now where you can't talk say, my attention has been drawn to a 3-year-old video of me riding on Okada, which is publicized as an endorsement for a political party. I disassociated myself from this. Please, I beg, this is not in any way on endorsement for any political party. God bless Ghana. Open up the fear. Make a talk something. If your own thing where you do, if you go and endorse Safa, we know they care. We Ghanaians, we know they care. We Ghanaians now, we know say the politicians, they play plus we. They can't lie, we say they can't do road and things give we. They will give us good water, they will give us this. They know they do. So we Ghanaians now, we know say Charlie, there's politicians now, they don't like one matter. So we talk with them, we spy them. So you Stonebwoy, you go take money, them do things. You fear say you go jail your face or something. Charlie, open up. We know this one. We did the street top. We they monitor everything. Ghanaians say you go take the money low key. You go talk them low key, then do the video, then things. But you come out, they can't talk say you 3 years ago. It there or there. It be our big time. It be our way you do. It be our way you do. Charlie, I remember some last time I go church. The church where I go no. Hey, I go see some boy tattoo himself, then do rasta, he pierce hearing and things where the person they pray. Hey, the person in jail in shadow way they pray, giddy. If they pray, they sweat and things they go on. Hey, the other person in they pray and things they go on. Right now, you know one of our fastest musicians where they climb high. You know him be Famille. Famille come out, you go at 2, you go Abeku in program talk at 2. You go talk say, you sure they go what? You sure they go church to of what? The people where them did the church, and especially the women, no? They see them and then they do them about this style. So you sure they go church. So once in a while, now you go what? You go check them, go pray. Charlie, Famille, make I talk you something. If they worship God, I know they worship God give anyone. If your own looks, if they listen to people, it's just like Ghana celebrities or like celebrities where them they the system inside, no. They don't devalue themselves. They don't know what they really want. Between you and God, no. You don't want to make someone come in between people there, you go split you and God. Charlie, if they talk about lose their things, Charlie, if you find different church, then what? Then go. If you not do your body say something they do you or something they make you do something, Charlie Famille, this thing where you go tough for Abeku, more go spy the video. More go spy the video then Abeku do no. The last weekend, more go spy.
Sure. Sorry. Oh, me sorry. First, not me copa, but the one I'm a between my summer, DNS, me qua. I know Benjamin for me and son, and I will make Casacasa with him because of the war. Timikaso say, Yamisu de Makumu and me fine thing. The woman me compile, but I saw the Mikubiache. Member by a church, what's in Patomat? Church, Opa Utino, Chichirifa said the open beer, Onyanko Rakumum, and tea. So we call sorry be nice or mobile Utino was smart there now, or Mobu and Chia by a church. A Chia no one.
You see what he talk? You see what he talk already? Me, I know they do this. I don't go to one pull and go. If I thought that person say, he they worship God, you know they worship God give people. He they worship God give himself. If you have a big time, why you can't talk? If you know, for people they talk say, if you know 14 where you can't talk, family. Sure they do that. If your own looks, if you know where you go represent, you know where you do your body say you go represent yourself for the head top like that. Make anybody not talk you say this. Forget about my looks. You they enter the church, if you them God, you know be you them people. This be what I don't want to talk you. This be what Ghanaians say make I talk you. Do your thing, then worship God physically, spiritually, then do everything. Because He will give you the talent. He will make all the blessings where you do your life inside. Because you don't say you hustle. Plenty people they hustle. But go to your problem, then this way they elevate you. So make you not mind anybody. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. Charlie, this be me. Anything you go do, make sure say you go do it with clean heart. That's what me Flambo, I will talk you. Make sure say you go subscribe to the YouTube channel. You do what? Too much GH. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay blessed.
Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.